everyone, today we're going to be making this super quick, easy, and refreshing mango smoothie. All you need is 1 cup of frozen mangoes and 1 cup of milk of your choice. You can add more or less milk depending on what consistency you like best. So yeah, let's get started. So after you get your ingredients together, you're going to put everything into the blender, as you can see. And the blender I use is a NutriBullet, but you could use any blender that works best for you. So as we're blending, just wait until everything is blended together, and then you're ready to serve. As you can see, that's the consistency that I like best, and I really love this smoothie. It's super delicious and perfect for a hot summer day or any day where you're just feeling like you want a smoothie or something refreshing to have. So yeah, that's all you need to do. Super quick, super easy, and it's super delicious. If you tried this recipe, please let me know down below in the comments, and any other type of recipes or smoothies you would like to see, please let me know down in the comments as well. I hope you guys enjoy this smoothie, and yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe down below and turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!